Okay, today we are making some vegan sloppy joes. Just a quick disclaimer, these are the products I'm using, but this is not a paid promotion for any of these products. This Gardein ground vegan beef works great for this recipe, and I'm just using a can of Manwich. All these products you can buy at the local grocery store or at Walmart, Target, etc. So we'll go ahead and open this can of sauce. We'll go ahead and dump the vegan ground beef into a frying pan and cook it on like a low to medium heat for about 10 or 15 minutes. It's a non-stick pan, and I'll cover it so it doesn't dry out or stick to the bottom of the pan. While that's warming up, I'll go ahead and cut up some green onion. The ground beef is warm enough. We'll stir it around. You can see it's changing color. Now I'll go ahead and dump in the sauce, mix it around. And we'll let that simmer for another 10 minutes or so. Okay, it's about ready now. We'll go ahead and add in our green onion. You don't have to add green onion if you don't like green onion, but me and my kids like it. Just stir it in. And we're just about ready to plate the food. Okay, using some whole wheat buns, they're nice and soft. Put the sloppy joe mix on the bun, and that's it. We're also going to add some homemade baked potato fries to go with it. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.